So today we have these apple cider vinegar gummies. They're apple flavored to kind of get rid of the apple cider vinegar flavor, because it is main ingredient in this supplement. But this supplement is very good for bowel movement and digestion. It does come with 60 gummies, so around I think 30 servings or so. As directed, and there is quite a bit of vitamins in here. Has 1,000 milligrams of apple cider vinegar and some not too many ingredients, which is also very useful. And so let's go ahead and try them out today. So the gummies itself are apple shaped, which is really cute. And so I've been taking these for a few days now, and honestly it has helped me a lot with digestion, especially if you're someone who eats a lot more carbs or harsh meats. It's perfect for you, and overall has filled me with a lot more energy, and these are a perfect supplement for digestion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.